So good day everyone. I'm Isel J. Cruz from WISED Math GB, and today I will present to you my project in M115 Abstract Algebra. So for task number 5, show that it is permutation group. So this is my geometric model. So our rotation is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 235 degree, 270 degree, and 315 degree. And for the line symmetry, we have vertical axis between vertical axis and right diagonal, horizontal axis between horizontal axis and left diagonal, between horizontal axis and right diagonal, left diagonal, and between vertical axis and left diagonal. So label the corners of the model as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This spin flake will look like this. So, yung right image or photo, picture, yung pagbibilang niya ng 1 to 8 is pa left. Then, while sa left picture naman is pa right yung pagbibilang niya ng 1 to 8. So, we will use row I or row sub I for rotation and lambda for flipping. Same as the previous move in the diagram. In the diagram, let's indicate its rotation and flips. So these are the 16 different moves and possible with this spin flake. So for rotation, we have the row sub 0, to do nothing. Row sub 1, rotate 45 degree counterclockwise. Row sub 2, rotate 90 degree counterclockwise. Row sub 3, rotate 135 degree counterclockwise. Row sub 4, rotate 180 degree counterclockwise. Row sub 5, rotate 225 degree counterclockwise. Row sub 6, rotate 270 degree counterclockwise. And row sub 7, rotate 315 degree counterclockwise. So for the flips, so lambda sub 0, vertical axis. Lambda sub 1, flip between vertical axis and left diagonal. Lambda 2, or lambda sub 2, flip left diagonal. Lambda sub 3, flip between horizontal axis and left diagonal. Lambda sub 4, flip horizontal axis. Lambda sub 5, flip between horizontal axis and right diagonal. Lambda sub 6, flip right diagonal. And lambda sub 7, flip between vertical axis and left diagonal. So first is the no rotation. So row sub 0. So do nothing. So wala tayong gagalawin. So we have the 1 is to 1, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 3, 4 is to 4, 5 is to 5, 6 is to 6, 7 is to 7, and 8 is to 8. Then for rotate 45 degree counterclockwise. So this, so itong nga dito sa right side na picture is the original photo. And then itong nasa left side naman is yung na-rotate ng 45 degree counterclockwise. So for the row sub 1, we have 1 is to 8, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 3, 5 is to 4, 6 is to 5, 7 is to 6, and 8 is to 7. So paano ba nakuha yung 1 is to 8? So 1, wait. So 1, so ito yung susunod ng 1. So 8 kung sinong magkaparehas yung ano nila, yung magkapantay yung label nila. Yun yung sila yung katapat. So 1, then 2. Ay, sorry. So yan, ganyan siya gamitin. Paano siya kunin? Next is the rotate 90 degree counterclockwise. So for row sub 2, we have 1 is to 7, 2 is to 8, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 2, 5 is to 3, 6 is to 4, 7 is to 5, and 8 is to 6. Rotate 135-degree counterclockwise. So for row sub 3, we have 1 is to 6, 2 is to 7, 3 is to 8, 4 is to 1, 5 is to 2, 6 is to 3, 7 is to 4, and 8 is to 5. And for rotate 180-degree counterclockwise, we have row sub 4, we have 1 is to 5, 2 is to 6, 3 is to 7, 4 is to 8, 5 is to 1, 6 is to 2, 7 is to 3, and 8 is to 4. Next is the rotate 235-degree counterclockwise. So this is the rotated table or rotated geometric model. Then this is the original model. You should now rotate. So we have the rows of 5. We have 1 is to 4, 2 is to 5, 3 is to 6, 4 is to 7, 5 is to 8, 6 is to 1, 7 is to 2, and 8 is to 3. Next is we have rotate 270-degree counterclockwise. So for row sub 6, we have 1 is to 3, 2 is to 4, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 6, 5 is to 7, 6 is to 8, 7 is to 1, and 8 is to 2. And for rotate 315-degree counterclockwise. So row sub 7, we have 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 6, 6 is to 7, 7 is to 8, and 8 is to 1. So for vertical or for the flip, we have the lambda sub 0 or the vertical axis. So we will flip this, the original, the front page, the front of the geometric model vertically. So, yan. So, yan yung makukuha natin. So, 1 is to 1. So, lambda sub 0 is equal to 1 is to 1. 2 is to 8. 3 is to 7. 4 is to 6. 5 is to 5. 6 is to 4. 7 is to 3. 8 is to 2. Next is the lambda sub 1. Flip between vertical axis and left diagonal. So, lambda sub 1 is equal to 1 is to 8. 2 is to 7, 3 is to 6, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 4, 6 is to 3, 7 is to 2, and 8 is to 1. Next is the flip left diagonal. So lambda sub 2 is equal to 1 is to 7, 2 is to 6, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 4, 5 is to 3, 6 is to 2, 7 is to 1, 8 is to 8. Next is the flip between horizontal axis and left diagonal. So row sub 3 is equal to 1 is to 6, 2 is to 5, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 3, 5 is to 2, 6 is to 1, 7 is to 8, and 8 is to 7. Next is the flip between horizontal axis. So lambda sub 4 is equal to 1 is to 5, 2 is to 4, 3 is to 3, 4 is to 2, 5 is to 1, 6 is to 8, 7 is to 7, and 8 is to 6. Next is the flip between horizontal axis and right diagonal. So lambda sub 5. So 1 is to 4, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 1, 5 is to 8, 6 is to 7, 7 is to 6, and 8 is to 5. Lambda 6, lambda sub 6, flip right diagonal. So lambda sub 6 is equal to 1 is to 3, 2 is to 2, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 8, 5 is to 7, 6 is to 6, 7 is to 5, and 8 is to 4. And last, the flip between vertical axis and left diagonal. So, lambda sub 7 is equal to 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 8, 4 is to 7, 5 is to 6, 6 is to 5, 7 is to 4, and 8 is to 3. So now, let's check if the permutation table is a group. We need to satisfy all the conditions by being a group. First is close. Second is associative. Third has an inverse element or identity. Then has an inverse each element. So we will verify if our model is closed under the permutation multiplication. So rho sub 0 times rho sub 0. So we have the rho sub 0. So 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1, then 1 is to 1 is 1. 2 is to 2. So titignan natin kung ano yung nasa ilalim ng 2 dito sa right na tawag nito sa right. Yan. So for example ito. So rho sub 0 times rho sub 1 is equal to 1 is to 1 is ano yung nasa baba ni 1 is 8. So 1 is to 8. The next is 2 is to 2. So yung 2 nang nandito sa rho sub 1 is titignan natin kung ano yun. So 2 is to 1 dahil 1 yung nasa baba ng 2. Then 3 is to 3. 3. Hanapin natin yung 3. Kung ano yung nasa baba ni 3 is yun yung sa ilalim. So 3 is to 2. 4 is to 4. Then hanapin natin yung 4. Kung ano yung nasa baba ni 4, yun yung kanyang baba. So 4 is to 3. 5 is to 5. 5 is to 4. So 5 is to 4. So 6 is to 6. So 5 yung nasa baba ni 6. So 6 is to 5. Then 7 is to 7. 6 yung nasa baba ni 7. So 7 is to 6. Then 8 is to 8. Then 8. Then 7 yung nasa baba ni 8. So 8 is to 7. So yung result na yun is P sub 1. So ganon ulit. So 1 is to 8 is 8 is to 6. So 1 is to 6. 2 is to 1. 1 is to 7. So 2 is to 7. 3 is to 2. 2 is to 8. So 3 is to 8. 4 is to 3. 3 is to 1. So 4 is to 1. 5 is to 4. 4 is to 2. So 5 is to 2. 6 is to 5. 5 is to 3. So 5 is equal to 5 is to 3. 6 is to 5. 5 is to 3. So 6 is to 3. 7 is to 6. 6 is to 4. So 6 is to 4. 7 is to 4. Then 8 is to 7. 7 is to 5. So 8 is to 5. So yung result na yun is yun yung ating rho sub 3. So ganun ulit. 1 is to 7. 7 is to 4. So 1 is to 4. 2 is to 8. 8 is to 5. So 2 is to 5. 3 is to 1. 1 is to 6 is equal to 3 is to 6. 4 is to 2. 2 is to 7. So 4 is to 7. 5 is to 3. 3 is to 8. So 4 is to 8. 5 is to 8. 6 is to 4. 4 is to 1. So 6 is to 1. 7 is to 5. 5 is to 2. So 7 is to 2. Then 8 is to 6. 6 is to 3. So 8 is to 3. So the result is the rho sub 5. Kung ganun ulit siya. 1 is to 6. 6 is to 6 is to 4. 6 is to 7. So 1 is to 7 siya. 2 is to 7. 7 is to 8. So 2 is to 8. 3 is to 8. 8 is to 1. So 3 is to 1. 4 is to 1. 1 is to 2. So 4 is to 2. 5 is to 2. 2 is to 3. So 5 is to 3. 6 is to 3. 3 is to 4. So 6 is to 4. 7 is to 4. 4 is to 5. So 7 is to 5. 8 is to 5. Is 5 is to 6. Is 6 to 6. So yan. So yung rho sub 5 times rho sub 6 is equal to rho sub 3. Then lambda sub 1 times lambda sub 1 times rho sub 6 is equal to lambda 7. Lambda 2 sub 2 times lambda sub 6 is equal to rho sub 4. So now let's record all the possible combination. So these are our table. So by observing all the possible combination of the resulting elements, we can say that our elements are found in the set given. Therefore, it is closed because it satisfies the closure property. So associative showed that rho, rho star lambda quantity rho star lambda quantity star b is equal to p star quantity lambda star b quantity. So permutation multiplication is just function composition which is shown to be associative. In addition, if we rotate the table by 180 and interchanging the columns and rows based on the original table by comparing the rotated table to original table, it is same as the original table. So this is the rotated table by 180. So interchange column 2 and A7, A8, then 3 and 7, and then 6, 4 and 6, then 9 and 15, or 10 and 13, then 11 and 12. So this is the final table. So as you can see, the table that we rotated by 180 and the original table are the same. Therefore, it is associative. The existence of the identity element, the table shows that the identity element is rho sub 0 since any elements that start or follows by rho sub 0, the elements is still the same. Therefore, the identity element is rho sub 0. The existence of inverse element. So, rho sub 0 inverse is equal to rho sub 0. Rho sub 1 inverse is equal to rho sub 7. Rho sub 2 inverse is equal to rho sub 6. Rho sub 3 inverse is equal to rho sub 5. Rho sub 4 inverse is equal to rho sub 4. Rho sub 5 inverse is equal to rho sub 3. Rho sub 6 is inverse is equal to rho sub 2. Rho sub 7 inverse is equal to rho sub 1. Lambda sub 0 inverse is equal to lambda 0. Lambda sub 1 inverse is equal to lambda sub 1. Lambda sub 2 inverse equal to lambda sub 2. Lambda sub 3 inverse equal to lambda sub 3. Lambda sub 4 inverse is equal to lambda sub 4. Lambda sub 5 inverse equal to lambda 5 sub 5. Lambda sub 6 inverse equal to lambda sub 6. And lambda sub 7 inverse equal to lambda 7 sub 7. So therefore it is group because it satisfies all the conditions. So being a closed check, being a associative check, there is an identity element which is P sub 0 or rho sub 0 that can also found in the set check, and there is an inverse element each element check. And that's all for the task number 5. Thank you.